Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is the Dreame N20 Steam Cleaner. Dreame is an amazing, high-quality company with lots of great cleaning items. Wait till you see these examples. This could be a natural mess from kids or doggies or yourself. Well, this is where the Dreame N20 Steam Cleaner comes in for messes like this. I brought it right to where the mess was. Because it's so light, you can do that. Then I pressed the mode I wanted, which was steam wash. And as soon as the light's not blinking, that means the steam is hot and it's time to clean. I sprayed wherever there was a stain on the carpet with that special fluid detergent they give you that's already installed in the machine. More about that later. As soon as that was done, it was time to clean the stain. I didn't have to let it soak for any period of time. I'm pressing the button underneath to get the steam and the suction to work to clean the spot on the carpet. And with it in that hot wash mode, I move the brush back and forth over that stain. Look how fast it's cleaning, because what had happened was the brush and the steam coming out at the same time will have a suction take up the moisture. I grabbed the orange juice and I made a big puddle of it all over the carpet. That's about half a cup. Simply by going over that orange juice, it sucked up the orange juice. It took only a few seconds. After that, I sprayed a little more of the cleaning fluid on it and went over it one more time, and the whole process took me 30 seconds or less to clean up that half a cup of orange juice on my carpet. No staining, perfectly clean, amazing. Families with households can count on the great cleaning with the Dreame N20 Steam Cleaner. But it does more than just steam and clean carpets. With that boiling point steam sterilization process it has, this is a great use to bring it into your bathroom. There are all kinds of fluids that could spill. It was easy to bring in my Dreame N20 Steam Cleaner to clean this and sterilize this. I took off the nozzle that I would use to clean carpets, and I attached the steam adapter. And then I added an accessory brush head. Press the machine on. I press just the steam button, and there it is on. I'm giving it some blast. You can see how it's going to come out. And look at this. Here I am steam cleaning and sterilizing the base of the toilet. I wiped all that had been dried on with a cloth, knowing it had been sterilized. I changed the accessory head. I put an accessory brush instead. I really needed the grout lines done in my bathroom. Although I had used brown grout, I could just imagine the kind of germs that would be hiding there. And in no time, I had gotten all this dirt out of those grout lines by using that accessory brush head, that forceful, hot steam to clean them. Now my floor is sanitized and that grout has been cleaned. The Dreame N20 Steam Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner is also great on upholstery. Here I am pouring a full glass of wine onto an ottoman I have. I brought out my Dreame N20 steamer. I turned it on, and this time I'm going to put it on the wash. I press a button underneath to get the liquid cleaner to spray out of it, and look at it suction up the red wine, providing the steam and that cleaning fluid to get out what I know would have always stained my furniture. Red wine will never come out, but it did. In the past, I would have had to just throw that ottoman away. So after cleaning the orange juice and the red wine stain, let me show you the dirty water it had collected. It stores that in the dirty water tank, and I put it down my sink, and then I just rinsed out the dirty water tank. You'll want to do that every time you dump it. It's a simple task, doesn't take long at all. Now I wanted to give it a real test on white grout. So in my kitchen, I have white tile, and I poured a very strong espresso on it, then taco sauce, and then bright red Hershey's syrup, and then it was time for some chocolate syrup. And to make sure this test got into the grout, I took a paintbrush and painted this mess all over the counter. Look at that big, huge mess. I touched it. Yes, it was dry. Time to get to the cleaning of it. On goes the machine, and there I chose steam. For this mess, I wanted to demonstrate this steaming process. I wanted to show you how much volume of water will come out through the steam as I'm applying the end steamer to this mess. Every now and then, I wiped it down. So when I'd gotten all that mess, that again was at boiling steam point, that's where it sanitizes it. I took a look and I saw that grout, and that grout was still dirty. This time, I pressed the steam wash because I wanted that detergent to come out to get into the grout. Now let me show you how that went down. The steam wash cycle will send the detergent out with the cleaning steam. That's why we're seeing those bubbles there. This whole process took me less than 3 minutes. And then I wiped it one more time, and there is my clean white tile with my clean white grout. Beautifully done. It can take on any type of detailed work in a household. This is the bottom threshold of an indoor-outdoor door I have. In the crevices there, it has never, ever been cleaned. That was just filth and gunk, and I loved cleaning this crevice, so I had to show you this demonstration. And here we go, getting into the cracks of that threshold of my house. Well overdue to do a cleaning here, but so quick and fast with my Dreame N20 Steam Cleaner. The accessory I used fit right into that tight crevice. And look, you can see it. I can see the silver aluminum below. It had taken all of that mess out. It's just amazing. It felt so great to clean this. I gave it a wipe down, and look at how clean it is now. Another place I like to use it is on the fan above my kitchen stove. My microwave has the fan on it, a 3-speed fan that will collect all of the fumes coming off my stove. Now, this is something that I don't always clean. I forget about it. So I took it off. There it is dirty. That screen filter from my over the stove fan. So I put on pointed nozzle attachment, and I'm just going to clean half of this so you can see the before and after. So in a couple of minutes, I'm fast motioning this so you can understand. It not only cleaned it, it sterilized it. There are different attachments, so I put a different one on because there are some that needed to be more scrubbed than just steamed. And so you can choose from all the different attachments you get. Here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looked like after, with half of it being done. What a difference. Another thought I had for this demonstration was to show you how it would clean a piece of glass. So I grabbed the turntable plate in my microwave. We could see all the grease there. I put the attachment scrubber for the steamer on it. I pressed the hot wash mode, and then I went to work on this plate. I wanted to show you how that hot boiling steam will quickly dissolve any grease, any grime on this glass plate. I wiped it off. It's clean as a whistle. I did both sides of it, and I popped it right back into my microwave, sterilized and ready for the next use. After using it a while, you're going to check your clean water tank. That just comes out simply from the side of it as I'm pulling it out here to show you. When you pull it up and want to refill it, you take the cap off the top, and here you have directions on how to self-clean. Dreame N20 Steam Cleaner. It comes with citric acid, so you'll just pour that in. I use the funnel to get it in there. You're going to add water to the tank. You screw the lid back on. You're going to shake it a little bit, and in it goes. And it has a special self-cleaning tool, and that's what you're going to attach to the top of the tube that would typically carry the head and the attachments. So clip it to that, and you turn it on, and you press the hot wash button. What happens is the water from the tank that has the citric acid will go through and clean itself, all the tubing and the machine. I'm taking both of the tanks out at the same time. You can see they each have the clean water, just a little bit left, and all the dirty water from self-cleaning. I'm going to rinse those both out, just normal tap water. And I'm also going through the used water tank, dumping that out, cleaning it with tap water, but you can see all the suds because that's what was in the self-cleaning. All the pieces are easy to fit together. And for the standard stain brush, if it gets dirty, you can pop off the top and clean that as well, just using normal tap water. And see, here's a little gadget they give you that you can clean the brush with and other fine little parts within this stain head. And in the same fashion, you can clean all of the other attachments as you like. Dreame has made this a dream to maintain. Very simple. Now I'm going to show you how you assemble it. Let me show you the cord for the electrical. It's long and it wraps around. Then I wrap the cord wand holder with the main body. Here's the hose, both sides of the hose. One side of the hose with the red will fit right into the machine at the base. Now I'm going to assemble the cord wand holder with the main body. I'm going to snap it in horizontally, then I'm going to rotate it clockwise to lock it. You will hear a click that indicates it's installed. A very simple, easy step, just like I'm showing you here. With that installed, you can then wrap your hose around that. What an interesting design. Makes everything so compact and easy to store. Then with the clip that goes on the side, you just clip in your hose. Now we're going to add the detergent. Right on the side is the detergent tank. You take that out, you unscrew the top, and you pour the whole bottle into the detergent tank. You flip it over and you place that in. Now I'm taking out the clean water tank and I'm going to add clean water. I fill it up with normal tap water and put the lid on. I filled it to the top. It's clearly marked the clean water tank, and in it goes, right next to the detergent tank. Fits so nicely on top. Here's a close-up of all the nozzles. Those are all the attachments you get. I'll show you a close-ups of each of the attachments. Here it is with the accessory connector on the left-hand side of the screen. Now we see it with the standard stain brush for cleaning your carpets and your upholstery and to scrub things. Here's a grout brush attached. Here's a concentrator nozzle attached. And here's a small round brush attached. And here it is with the self-cleaning tool attached. Here are the controls. Beautiful colored LED display. Turned on, we have the wash on top. We have the hot wash next. We have the steam wash next. And that one you'll have to wait for it to go solid before it'll work. And the same with the steam. It has to heat up inside. And it does so in just a few seconds. So you're ready to go quickly. So click the link below in the description box to get your Dreame N20 Steam Cleaner. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a simple way to clean up spots in your life with Dreame. If you like this video, here's more over there to click on for some of my recipes right there.